What makes Mercury Wire different from a lot of the suppliers in this space is the fact that we are a manufacturer of cable that is very specific and custom to the end user application. It's not something that you're going to find off the shelf.
Common misconception would be that we make wire. Our name is Mercury Wire, so people associate that with a simple, maybe single conductor product. But we have to explain to them that no, we do a lot more. We'll make the wires that go into the cable, and the cable is really the bulk of what we do.
Mercury is a family. We make sure that we get information from both our customers, but also from our team members to see how they can grow, how we can help our customers outside with their needs. So, yeah, it is a custom wire manufacturer, but so much more.
Vibe at Mercury is pretty laid back, very family oriented, good place to work. People come and people don't leave. We got great tenure and great people that work there.
Success for a customer is when they can reach out to us with a specific problem and we can answer it with the custom cable that we provide.
This is the first time Mercury is actually at a show. We are close to 60 plus years since we were founded, so they were amazed that this is our first show and they wish us all the best. I'm excited, yeah. First time to be in a show is pretty awesome, yeah.
We saw the space before it was transformed into what it is, so when we came to set up the booth, it was just basically an open warehouse, and to see everybody here, feel the energy of people kind of getting ready to hopefully make some good connections and promote their brand. Yeah, it was good. A good feeling walking in.